Today we'll break down the essential principles that can pave the way to financial freedom and success. Financial literacy is more than just a buzzword. It's a crucial toolkit for making informed decisions about your money. We're going to explore 4 fundamental rules that can transform your financial strategies and empower you to take control of your financial destiny. But before we dive into these rules, let's establish a clear understanding of what financial education really means and why it's so important. Financial education is all about equipping yourself with the skills and knowledge necessary to manage your finances effectively. It's about understanding how money works, from budgeting and investing to debt management and wealth building. Throughout this video, we'll break down complex concepts into simple, actionable steps. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to level up your money management skills, this video is for you. So, if you're ready to take charge of your finances and unlock your path to financial freedom, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into the 4 fundamental rules of financial education. Reason 1. Common misconceptions. Financial education often contradicts conventional wisdom. Many people espouse a mindset of scarcity, perpetuating beliefs that hinder wealth accumulation. For instance, phrases like "money doesn't grow on trees" and "money is the root of all evil" instill a negative attitude towards wealth from a young age. These misconceptions impede individuals from taking essential steps toward financial prosperity. Similarly, the stigma surrounding debt, although it can be managed effectively, stems from a lack of understanding and proper education. To progress financially, it's crucial to disregard advice from those lacking financial literacy and confidence. Instead, seek guidance from individuals who possess the knowledge and experience to generate wealth. Just as you wouldn't learn skiing from someone who has never skied, seek mentorship from those who have successfully navigated financial challenges. By adopting this approach, you'll accelerate your financial education and pave the way towards economic empowerment. Reason number 2. Confidence and self-image. A key factor in attaining wealth is confidence and a positive self-image, as affirmed by successful individuals. Believing in your worthiness for wealth and happiness is foundational. Without this belief, achieving wealth becomes improbable. Consider it a self-fulfilling prophecy. Envisioning yourself as wealthy is the first step towards realizing that vision. Visualizing yourself as confident and affluent fosters the necessary courage to venture beyond your comfort zone, a crucial aspect of success. As a wise person once said, "Many fear success itself." To achieve success, one must embrace discomfort and take calculated risks. For instance, embarking on entrepreneurship often demands stepping into financial uncertainty, like securing loans, which many find daunting. Charisma and confidence are indispensable qualities for wealth accumulation. Without the confidence to act, achieving riches remains a distant dream. Thus, before delving into financial education, it's imperative to cultivate self-assurance and a willingness to confront risks and failures head-on. Confidence empowers individuals to take risks and thrive under pressure. Understanding these obstacles to financial literacy underscores their significance. Now let's explore the 4 fundamental rules of financial education. Rule number 1, grasp before you invest. Investment is pivotal for wealth growth, but blindly venturing into unknown territory is perilous. Long-term wealth hinges on informed investment decisions. While myriad investment options exist, stocks, bonds, real estate, forex, the most crucial investment is in oneself. Developing the skills necessary for financial management is non-negotiable. Staying abreast of industry trends is essential for survival in competitive markets. Investing in business expansion is another vital aspect. Like fueling a car, infusing capital into a business propels its growth. Marketing, research, and product development are prime areas for investment. Real estate investment follows the adage, "Buy low, sell high," but entails intricate processes. Starting small and gradually progressing to larger ventures is typical. Renovating neglected properties for profit is a common strategy. Stocks offer ownership in publicly traded companies, entitling shareholders to profits. However, The stock market carries inherent risks, necessitating caution and due diligence. Regardless of the chosen investment avenue, thorough research is imperative. Amidst abundant information, discerning truth from falsehood is vital. Beware of scams and seek advice from reputable professionals with practical experience. Adhere to this cardinal rule. Never invest in what you don't understand. Rule number 2. The significance of debt. Understanding the power of debt is crucial, albeit often overlooked. Those who wield it wisely thrive, while those who fear it miss out on numerous opportunities. It's important to differentiate between good and bad debt. Bad debt refers to obligations that you know you won't be able to repay, such as student loans. Accumulating this kind of debt can be detrimental, wreaking havoc on one's financial well-being. It's unreasonable to expect 18-year-olds to make significant financial decisions without considering the long-term consequences. Exercise caution and only incur debt if you fully comprehend the implications. Conversely, good debt is manageable and potentially lucrative. It entails borrowing with a clear repayment plan with the intention of generating income. Taking on debt strategically can be a pathway to wealth accumulation. For instance, securing a loan to kickstart a business venture can lead to financial success, provided you diligently meet your financial obligations. Rule number 3. Embrace a wealth mentality. Thinking rich involves envisioning yourself as affluent and adopting corresponding behaviors. While living within one's means is prudent advice, excessively frugal living may stifle personal growth and opportunities. Instead, focus on making informed financial decisions that instill confidence and align with your aspirations. Relying solely on scrimping and saving won't necessarily lead to wealth. Investing in self-improvement, acquiring new skills, and pursuing opportunities for increased income are pivotal steps towards realizing your desired lifestyle. By adopting this mindset shift, you'll be primed to identify and seize lucrative prospects for financial advancement. Rule number 4. Enhance skills to secure assets. Assets are things that boost your financial standing, while liabilities drain your finances. Your intellect stands as your most valuable asset, and you can sharpen it to enhance your worth further. Certain skills are highly sought after in the job market and are characterized by 2 key traits. They offer substantial value to the market and yield significant financial returns. Rather than being an employee, focus on honing skills that enable you to generate income independently by delivering results to the market. Identify skills that align with your strengths and develop your initial high-income skills to accumulate the resources required to acquire more assets. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Mastering the fundamentals of financial education is crucial for anyone aiming to secure their financial future. By understanding these 4 key rules, you can navigate the complexities of personal finance with confidence and clarity. Remember, it's essential to invest in your knowledge and skills before diving into any investment opportunity. Differentiate between good and bad debt, and always prioritize strategic borrowing that aligns with your long-term financial goals. Embrace a mindset of abundance and seize opportunities for growth and income generation. Focus on enhancing valuable skills that can propel you towards financial success, and prioritize acquiring assets over liabilities. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more valuable content on financial literacy and wealth building strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.